Niha, my name is Lance Barnes, Director of IU Health's International Patient Department here in Indianapolis, Indiana. Indiana University Health is one of the largest and most comprehensive academic healthcare systems in the United States, a unique partnership with the Indiana University School of Medicine, the nation's largest medical school. We look forward to cooperating with Nightingale International Consulting Corporation. Together, we'll provide you an exceptional patient experience for your medical services at IU Health.